multiplication rule. To multiply two or more exponential expressions with the same base, copy the base and add exponents. Example 1. X squared times x cubed, copy the base and add the exponents. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And the final answer is x to the 5th power. Example 2. 2 to the 2nd power times 2 to the 3rd power times 2 to the 4th power. Copy the base 2 and add exponents. 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 9. And 2 to the 9th power is 512, which is the final answer. Example 3. 5 times 2 equals 10 times 7 equals 70. Then b to the 2nd power times b to the 3rd power times b to the 4th power. Keep the base and add the exponent. 2 plus 3 plus 4, which gives us 9. And our final answer is 70b to the 9th power. Division rule. To divide exponential expression with the same base, copy the base and subtract exponents. Example 1. X to the 5th power divided by x to the 3rd power. Copy the base and subtract exponents. 5 minus 3 equals 2. And final answer is x squared. Example 2. 9 to the 10th power divided by 9 to the 8th power. Copy the base and subtract exponents. 10 minus 8 equals to 2. And 9 squared is equals to 81, which is the final answer. Example 3. A to the 11th power, b to the 8th power, divided by a to the 6th power, b to the 2nd power. Copy the base a and subtract exponent. 11 minus 6 equals to 5. Copy the base b and subtract exponent. 8 minus 2 equals to 6. And the final answer is a to the 5th, b to the 6th power. Power of a power rule. x to the a raised to b power. Copy the base and multiply exponents. Example 1. X squared raised to the third power. Copy the base and multiply the exponents. 2 times 3 equals 6. And the final answer is x to the sixth power. Example 2. 3 cubed raised to the second power. Copy the base and multiply the exponent. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 to the sixth power is 729, which is the final answer. Power of a product rule. The quantity of xy raised to a power, raise a to each factor of the product. Example 1. The quantity of ABC raised to the fifth power, raise 5 to each factor of the product. So the final answer is a to the fifth, b to the fifth, c to the fifth power. Example 2. The quantity of 2a to the fourth b squared raised to the fifth power, raise 5 to each factor of the product. So we have 2 to the fifth. Power to power rule. Copy the base a and multiply exponents 4 times 5. Power to power rule. Copy the base b and multiply the exponent 2 times 5. So the final answer is 32a to the 20th power, b to the 10th power. Power of a fraction rule. The quantity of x over y raised to a power, raise a to both numerator and the denominator. Example 1. Quantity of x over y raised to the fourth power, raise 4 to both numerator and the denominator. So the final answer is x to the fourth over y to the fourth power. Example 2. The quantity of 2a squared over 3b cubed raised to the third power, raise 3 to both numerator and the denominator. So we have 2 to the third power, power to power rule. Keep the base a, and multiply the exponent 2 times 3. Over 3 to the third power, power to power rule, keep the base b, and multiply the exponent 3 times 3. So the final answer is a to the 6th power over 27b to the 9th power.